Jai Sri Narayan. We are meeting after so long, and we were working on some software, and we are trying to automate things as much as we can. Initially, we are doing things for the astro perspective. After that, we are also working on another software where we will be getting stocks for intraday in the morning itself at 9:15 or 8:45. And according to that, we can strategize. Those stock shortlisting will be on the basis of two things. Firstly, technical. Secondly, on the basis of planetary combination and the planets which are there, and which planet is more dominant at that period of time. According to that, generally for a day, one planet will be there dominating one or two, other remains on a lower side. So we will pick up that software will pick the stock from those planets. So I'll show you what it is. If you can see here, this is KP dashboard. We are following Krishnamurti Paddhati, and there are so much of Vedic astrology and all, financial astrology and all, but generally for the market perspective, Krishnamurti Paddhati is the one which we have to use, which is more accurate or aligned with the market. Here if I see this is today's date, timing is today's. If I tap on compute, if I am changing the date, I have to tap on compute to get it change this interface. Otherwise, for the day, if I am opening the app, it will be automatically this. Now, what are these things? Here you can see on a Lagna is in the 9 degree, and that is after CN. CN is Cancer. Sun is 17 degree Taurus. Moon is 7 degree Sagittarius. Mars is 16 degree Aries. Mercury is 7 degree Gemini. Like that, these are. And in front of that, you can see Nakshatras. Some Nakshatras are there. For every planet, there are 3 Nakshatras. Like Sun, there are 3 Nakshatras. For Moon, there will be 3 Nakshatras. Like that, we have 9 planets, and every planet have 3 Nakshatras each. Like that, we have 27 Nakshatras as whole. So, in that scenario, Sun is in Rohini right now, but Rohini is not Sun's nakshatra, original nakshatra. Sun's original nakshatra is one of them is Kritika, where it was in the last week. If you see the stock related to Sun like pharma and power sector last week, from 20 May to 29 May, you will see very good rise on them. Because of this, because Sun was in its own nakshatra. But why didn't the banks and all rise on that particular period? Some days this happened, like Jupiter related to bank. Jupiter and Mercury is related to bank, and Jupiter being itself in its own nakshatra, it doesn't rise the prices of bank. There we have to see, like there are combination sometime. Like if I am talking about SBI Bank, SBI and HDFC, it takes both Sun and Jupiter to move it, because it's a PSU sector bank and nationalized bank, you can say. But if I talk about ICICI Bank, only Jupiter is good, it will rise. Sun, it doesn't need Sun. But for SBI to move, it needs Sun and Jupiter both. Like that, the combinations are there. It will be on the another software. But for here, this interface will tell you like that, which nakshatras are there and which house they are, in which nakshatra they are, the planets. You can change the date from here if you want to see for the ahead or backward. I'll go like March 4th. I'll just have to tap on compute. So these were the combination. If I have to go ahead like 6th of August 2026, I just have to compute. It will give me automatically. No hustle, no need to do that. Otherwise it take time little bit. There are software where you can see it, but it's little bit complex over there to see that things. Now this is the most interesting part of the software, the per minute score. It will give you 4 probable chart. You can go to any date. I am going to 3rd date. You just have to compute. If I can also go to 2nd of date, which is today's date, because this will cross verify it. And if I tap on compute, it will automatically do this calculation. Otherwise it takes more than 30 minutes to do this. To mention this on Excel sheet, we can make it in Excel sheet manually, but it takes a lot of time. On a click, I tap on compute, and here I got 4 chart. Among these 4 chart, any one of will get followed if the 1 hour chart is matching with that. Let's suppose 1 hour chart is matching with that. This is for Nifty 50. So this chart will get followed for the day. Like today, this chart got followed. The 4th TRR chart got followed today. See, initially market was in the side range, and then market made a dip at exactly at 12:45 exactly. If I will say, note the time here, 12:45, and exactly from here the move started for the upside. Let me show you it in the chart how it was. This is 2nd May of chart. I'll show you how it works now. 12:45 was the time, if you remember. I switched to 5-minute time frame. Okay, now 12:45 was the time from where it was making exact V shape, from where it should rise. So this is the 12:45 time. We got a move 5 or 10 minutes before to that. That can be calculated according to other things. But here, afterward, we were seeing this high, and this high is on a different level. Initially these highs were on a same page, but after that it was in a different aspects. You will see this high and this high. Now I'll show you the interface of that. So now if you will see it in a 12:45 time we had, and also you can see here these lines. This is in the same range, and the higher high it made after 12:45 was on the higher side of this particular range. So that's how you have to read that, which is clearly visible here. This was in a range, and then from 12:45 it started for the upside. Then this high was on the another side, on a upper side. So that's how the thing works very perfectly. And after that the market fell from 2:15, so you don't have to take trade for the upside afterwards. So timing was still 2:15 to take a trade for the upside. So that's how the thing works. Now this is the main part of the thing, but I'll explain you later this one. Firstly, I will tell you the Bhadra. Bhadra is a very unique concept. Here we can get to know whether the day is negative or positive on the basis of some calculation, minor calculation, not much. So tomorrow is one Bhadra. If I'll show you, this is 6th of June, 3rd of June, sorry. It's the Tritiya is tomorrow, and it's on Krishna Paksha. It is, and the effect it should be giving positive. So tomorrow market should be positive. We have to, it doesn't mean from the 9:15 onwards we have started buying. The technicals we have to use, but the biasness for the tomorrow is positive. So wherever in the support we are seeing the opportunity, we will buy for the upside. That's how we have to do trade on that. After that, there is another Bhadra on 10th of June. It is also positive. After that on 18th, and after that on 25 and 29. These 5 Bhadras are there on this, and all are positive. But on 7th, on 2nd of July, we have a negative Bhadra. Like that, it gives a calculation automatically. So we don't have to check very much. Now one more thing. This is Vargottam. Vargottam is when if somebody knows the astrology a little bit, when the planet is aligning in the same zodiac sign in D1 and D9 chart, that is the Vargottam position. So date is today's date. We don't have to touch anything. We just have to tap on compute. As soon as I computed, it has computed. Now it has shown me Jupiter is Vargottam, and Jupiter represent what? Jupiter represent bank, financial sector, jewelry, Reliance specifically. Now check those stock today, because whenever it's Vargottam, and every hour of the day is divided into particular planets. That timing was falling around 12:30 today, and Jupiter Hora, this hour we say Hora, and this Vargottam was there already. So both things combined, and market blasted for the upside. So that's how the things are. Now this is the most amazing thing you will see here. But like if I'm trading today, so you have to put a date of yesterday, and if I'm trading tomorrow after midnight or tomorrow morning, I have to put a date of tomorrow, today's date, because it fetched the data from the NSE and the different multiple sites. And what it shows here, I have multiple options to choose. Firstly, I will choose by default. I am putting it on scan. It's saying downloading Bhav copies, so it will take a bit of time, but it will do the things very nicely. Just wait for a while. So this is how you get the data of the previous day. like on BPCL we saw what we saw. Now you have to interpret it. Like on BPCL, close was this, volume was this, the last 20 days volume was this much high. So on Coal India it was much higher. If you would have traded Coal India today, or if you would have seen the data of 29th May, so this was higher itself, you could have bet on that. OI change was higher as well, and OI change was on the positive side, so you should have bought on that position. Like that you can see there are multiple stocks, like 129 stock. It will refresh every day. Like if today there are, like let's suppose Bajaj or FinServ is there, if Bajaj FinServ is there, if tomorrow on 2nd of, like today, if it has not passed the threshold level on the our criteria, it will not be in this list tomorrow. Like that it will get refreshed every day. Now if I'll show you different thing, most money traded, where the people put a lot of money, it's also computing that. It is also showing what thing we have put here. It will reveal where the big money is lying. See, in top the Coal India is there. Volume wise, if you can see, if I'm seeing this particular range, Indigo, Asian Paint, Tech Mahindra. See this stock today on 2nd of June, sorry, where this much easy it will do your task. I'm only seeing where the volume increase 1x. Did I get anything around 2x? Here we got 2x on Inox. Let's see how it was. So this is how it worked today. Firstly, it was in support, it was accumulating thing, and from support only it blasted at the same time, 12:45 time. So that's how these things will help you in your trading. Now I'll get back to this. This was most money traded. Now if I'll show the biggest position change in the last day on 1st of June, where did the most position get changed on that particular date? So that will also get computed very easily. You can count on your fingers the timing. It will not take more than 30 seconds. 30 seconds I have taken for the conservative time. It will give in 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to 10 seconds only. Now if I see where the biggest position change was there on this position, I'm seeing here 2x data was there, volume was 2x, OI change was more, 70 lakh. So this can be in my radar for a day, IRIDA. If I see more where the position got changed, Crompton is also looking fine, which is here, Crompton and Manapuram. So I can shortlist stock from here for today, like this. This is also good. Motherson, 29 lakh change. Here on Suzlon, it's 62 lakh. Like that you can see the things very nicely. Biggest price mover, and like that there are multiple scanners. After this there will be SBC in that will be game changer for sure. If you want to access this thing, you can DM on the number which is given in the description box. Prices and all will be there. We will give you the whole software, and all the updates will be given to you, whatever we will update on that. So the biggest price mover are also here. So on whatever criteria you want to take trade, you can choose from here and you can take. Now the most important thing is wheel. This is today's wheel. If I go on render, it will render for today's, and if I'll go from here 5 minutes ahead, it gets changed like that. So we saw on a first slide here Lagna and all, it's represented on this. So according to this we get timing. Now what was the important planet for us on the basis of that? Jupiter, because Jupiter is Vargottama and it's in a D1 and D9 same zodiac sign. So whenever Jupiter will come into its aura, it will be highly bullish on that particular time. Now see here, right now Jupiter is in the first house. First house is somehow positive, not very much negative, not very much positive. It's on a mid-range kind of thing. So that's how it gets changed. Lagna is here, Lagna is here, Jupiter is here. If I see moon, because the moon rules the market, Nifty for intraday, Ketu and Rahu are there. Where they are sitting, Rahu is in the 9th house, 9th house is positive. And if I see Ketu, Rahu is here, Ketu is here. Ketu is in the 3rd house, Rahu is in the 9th house, Lagna is in the Cancer. Cancer is this, and this line is in the 1st house. So our Rahu, which is sublord, is in the positive house, Ketu is in the negative house, and until they will be there, like confusion will be there in the market, which we saw in the morning. As soon as they will go out from there, now if you can see, Rahu came out of the 9th house. This line you can see, transition line. After 9:55, somehow you must have got some move on either side. That must be on positive side, because today is Jupiter Vargottama, so it should be on the positive side. And Ketu also switched from 3rd house to 2nd house. 3rd house was the negative house, so this was the line. So Ketu switched to the positive house, which is 2nd house. So now the 9:55 is the time from where I can get a positive trade. So this is how we calculate everything in that. There are further details which can be learned simultaneously, and if you want to learn, you can DM. We can provide a session to those who will bought it, and if you want access of this, you can DM on the number which is given in the description box. Other than that, we are also working on other software that will be like game changing for you on your trading journey. But this is also very nice software which can be used, very handy software. Like you get 4 possible charts, you get a Bhadra, you get a Vargottama, which Vargottama is there on that particular day. MarketRadar you have, so you can shortlist the trade very comfortably. So like that, if you want to, just DM on the number. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.